Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. This is a very special video because it is all about unboxing my new Kiarasky gel. Not only that, but I did a lot of research and I went on Amazon and I also purchased this SUNUV 2-in-1 LED UV lamp, well as UPF 50 protective gloves. So without any further ado, let's get into it. I am so thrilled to have Kiarasky as my first gels. They were my first dip system, so I had to, of course, jump into their gels. And I'm glad I did because I got their Ombres as well as their Ombre Glow colors. And the Sun UV lamp came from Amazon as well as the Glacier gloves. Now, anybody who knows me knows I'm a freak with the sun and I take all measures to hide from it. So yes, I had to get these gloves and I'm very pleased with the purchase. They fit well and I can move them down even further to my nail plate. So I'm really happy about that. And with this LED lamp, I read so many reviews and watched a lot of YouTube, including Denise John 65 here on YouTube. I'll link her down below. And if you are looking into LED lamps, I suggest you going ahead and give her a follow because she does thorough reviews on several different lamps. And I went ahead and chose this 48 watt lamp, and I hope I chose right. It has a 10-second, a 30-second, and a low heat setting mode. I am super excited yet a little nervous because this thing looks very powerful. So hopefully those gloves are a good one. Now let's jump into the Kiarasky. This is Kiss and Make Up, Lash Out, and this is XOXO. I'm obsessed with their packaging. This is Too Faced Pink, Fairytale Romance, Base Coat. This is Purple Rain, Knight in Shining Armor, Non-Wipe Top Coat, Dreamcatcher, glass slippers, and here are some close-up images of the bottles for you all. If you're interested in seeing a full swatch on these ombres, just let me know in the comments below. I'm seriously so excited for these gel colors. I have no idea what color I'm gonna pick, but I'm thinking it's gonna be one of the Ombre Glows. And this non-wipe top coat, if you follow Sarah's Nail Secrets, she rant and raves about this top coat, so I'm so excited about it. And I'm going to do some swatches on the Ombre Glows, so let's see how those turn out. Wow, I love this pale pink. To see the transition happen so fast, I love it. Okay, yes, this lamp looks cray. And this is what they look like after being cured. Kiss and Make Up went from being a fuchsia color to being a pale, almost white color. And XOXO went from being dark to light. And Lash Out went from being a really pretty gray to a nice nude. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite color is, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.